Hey, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video regarding this printer only, it's a one tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to take Xerox and plus how to take a ID card Xerox in this HP DeskJet ink 3835 model printer. Okay, let's first turn on this printer. Here you can see HP logo. It's just a tutorial video. Let's see how to take a black and white Xerox and as well as ID card Xerox. In this video I'm going to show you how can we take it. Just a minute, it's loading. Okay, it's came. It's totally a touch screen only, guys. You can see. Okay, let's first we can take a black and white Xerox. Actually I'm not having color ink, so I'm going to take a black and white. Color also same only, guys. I will show in this video how to take a color print also. Yes, I'm going to take this Xerox, black and white Xerox in this printer. Okay, first thing what you need to do means just open it up and then take this paper, and afterwards just turn that paper. You need to place like this. Here you can see here's the words fonting. You need to place like this. Just place it and then close, and afterwards you need to load paper in back side. Here you can see I'm having two A4 sheets. Just place it here. Okay, and next here it's asking, do you want to load paper? Yes. And afterwards now it's time to take Xerox. And guys, you already know, already we have placed the paper inside this. And afterwards what you need to do means just go to copy, click on copy, and here you can see there is how many sheets you need to copy. There is a list of numberings were there. You can take how much as it is, and maximum 50 copies you can take, guys. Here you can see, and more than that also we can take by clicking here. How many copies you need, you can enter. Okay, it's just for example only. Let's know we are going to take one copy. Here you can see there's both the options are there. One is start black and another one is a color print. If you need color means you can select this. If you need black means you can select this. Currently I am not having color ink in this printer. I'm having black ink only. It's not just a big difference, both the same only. If you need color means just click this. Now I'm going to take in black and white only, so I'm going to click this to start black and white. Okay, let's click it. Here you can see it's copying and it's coming a bit dusty. We need to clean it up afterwards. You can see it's came. Here you can see, guys, this is the black and white Xerox. How is it? Here you can see the picture quality is very nice, guys. The color print quality actually. Let's take that skip this here. Let's take that paper out. Here you can see this is the original paper and this is the Xerox paper, guys. How was the quality, guys? Just tell in the below comment section. It looks both looks nice, guys. Color quality, print quality, here you can see both the quality is very perfect. It's good. And okay, let's skip these two papers just aside and then take ID card. I will show you how to take a ID card Xerox. Here you can see, here is my ID card. This is my school ID card actually. You can see this is my ID card. I'm going to take this ID card Xerox. Let's come on, just same thing only. Just open this tray and then you need to place this ID card in side corner of the printer. You can place here also, but it will pop up. You need to place this card side. Okay, let's just keep side and then close it up, and afterwards here you can see we are in copy actually. we are in copy. Just go to settings and then scroll down. Here you can see there's ID card copies there. Just click on that. If you need color means just go ahead with this color copy, or else if you need a black copy means just you can go ahead with a black copy. I'm going to take a black copy Xerox only. Let's click on that, and here you can see here is what they are telling. Just place the card near the icon at corner of the scanner glass away from the edges. Okay, now we have just placed, then click to continue. It's scanning, I think so. I cannot able to see, and you can see now we need to again flip that ID card. Just flip this ID card like this, just press it here and then close again. Now click continue. You can see it's scanning. Second side, now it's printing. You can see. And here you can see guys, now we have taken the ID card Xerox. How is it? How is the quality of this print? Just tell your feedbacks in the below comment section. How is this guys? This is my school ID card actually. You can see the print quality looks very nice and beautiful guys. It's very clear. Now let's take the ID card outside. Here is the ID card, and let's take it up. And here you can see guys, how was the quality? It looks very good. There is not much difference I am feeling. It looks very good guys. Okay guys, likewise you can take Xerox and ID card Xerox also. And regarding this, that's all. Just a small tutorial video of how to take Xerox and print in this HP DeskJet 3835 model printer, and it's very worth guys. I'm using this nearly 6 years. This printer, it's working fine, still it's working good, and print quality is also very good guys. Still you can definitely go ahead with the printer for home use as well as a small office use. And regarding this, that's all. And if you're having any doubts or questions, just ask in the below comment section. Definitely I will reply. And do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye.